Effectively, we're trying, understandably, to construe what you did as a de facto loan to Jake. In other words, I pay for this vehicle, I own half of it,
Yep.
the other half is a loan to you. You have been delinquent on that loan, and I now want that money back. You've got two problems. The first thing is that you didn't put anything like that at all in writing, which you would have had to have done, even to get over the first hurdle. The second problem is, even if you jump that hurdle legally, the next issue is this. He doesn't own anything. You do. Consequently, Ellie, the power is all in your hands. And so you can't sue him for anything. You have the value of that vehicle. What you do with it now is entirely a matter for you. That also, by the way, includes the tax of the vehicle. Consequently, what you do now is a matter for you, maybe or maybe not in discussion with Jake. For the reasons I've given and the fact that you have the power and freedom to dispose of that vehicle as you wish, hopefully to a commercial value, I, in law, dismiss this case. However, Jake, I see some bad eggs in my court. You're not one of them. You work hard, and I believe that you love Ellie very, very much. And I believe that if I told you Ellie was not going to be there for you tomorrow, that would truly break your heart, correct? Either when you leave court, you draw up an agreement setting out that he needs to pay you back within an agreed period of time for half the van, or you sell the van, doing it up as best as you can to get the maximum value, put that money into an account, and wait for a year, move somewhere cheaper, and put the money into an account, and simply delay your dream. At this stage, at this time, it doesn't appear that you can afford to move forward with this project. That's the frank and stark reality. But, Ellie, although I've dismissed your case, it's a matter for you moving forward what you do. And you can do that with or without Jake. I get the strong and profound sense you'd like to do it with him. That's going to take patience, time, and being sensible. It's certainly not going to be achieved by sitting back and watching YouTube videos. Understood?
Understood.
You're decent young people. Romantic. I wish you both the very best of luck. I'm afraid I have to dismiss your case. I hope in 3 years' time, or thereabouts, I'll receive a postcard from the two of you somewhere pleasant. Agreed? Case dismissed.
Ellie's case was dismissed, and she was awarded nothing by the court. Let's find out how both parties felt about the judge's ruling.
We can't, carry on the way we are because it's not like, working out with the van and us, but, maybe you can try and find another way to find £2,000 because I don't want to give up on the dream with you.
Yeah, I don't want to give up on the dream as well, and I know that I can do more to get to that point. At the end of the day, it is up to her, and it is her asset. And I mean, I think it would be a shame for both of us, like not just for me, but for her as well, to give up on that.
He needs to get more work. He needs to try and do things to be able to pay, and he needs to make an effort. If you can't pay up soon, then that's, we're going to have to talk about our relationship. You're going to have to make an effort to pay.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.